This is Anil with a video tutorial for the Learning Lad on C programming. So in this video tutorial we're gonna see the logical operators available in C. So in C we're gonna use the logical operator and or. To use the logical operator and, you have to write the symbol ampersand 2 times, and to use this or, you have to write this straight line like symbol 2 times. So now we're gonna see where we can use these logical operators in our program. So first I'm gonna create a variable and I'm gonna call it age, and I'm gonna assign it the value of let's say 15. So if we use a if statement to test some condition here, let's say age is less than or equal to 18, and if it is so, we're gonna print something to the screen, let's say less than 18. So here, as you can see here, by using this relational operator we can test for only one condition, whether my age is less than or equal to 18. This is one condition. If my age is less than or equal to 10 or anything like that. So for that purpose, what you can do is you can write another if statement inside this if statement, and you can write that. But in C there is an easy method available. So you can use these logical operators and you can construct a complex test condition, or you can test more than one condition here in this if statement only. So for that purpose, in this tutorial what we want to do is we're gonna check whether a person is a teenager or not. So we can say that a person is a teenager if his age is greater than or equal to 13 and less than or equal to 18. So here we have checked whether the age is less than or equal to 18. So we need to check another condition here, that is whether my age is greater than or equal to 13. So if both these conditions satisfy, then we can say that a person is a teenager. You are a teenager. So for that purpose, to check for both these conditions, we have to use this AND operator. When we use this logical operator AND, this if statement is going to check whether this age variable contains the value which is less than or equal to 18, and this age variable contains a value which is greater than or equal to 13. So if both these conditions satisfy, then the statement inside this if block will be executed. If one of these condition fails, then this code will not be executed. That's why we're gonna write a else block here, and we're gonna say, let me copy and paste it here, not a teenager. Save it, compile it. Now my age is 15, which is less than or equal to 18 and greater than or equal to 13. That's why it's gonna say you are a teenager. So run it. So as you can see, it says you are a teenager. So now I'm gonna make it greater than 18, let's say 20. Now our age is not less than or equal to 18, but our age is greater than or equal to 13. Since this condition fails, or one of these condition fails, this if block will not be executed, the else block will be executed. So I'm gonna save it, compile and run. So as you can see, it says you are not a teenager. Now if you want to execute this if block, if any one of these conditions here specified satisfies, for that purpose we have to use the logical operator OR. So what happens here is, if whether this age is less than or equal to 18, or whether my age is greater than or equal to 13, execute this if block. So that's why here my age is equal to 20, which is not less than or equal to 18, but which is greater than or equal to 13. Since any one of these conditions satisfies, the if block will be executed. So I'm gonna save it, compile and run it. As you can see, it says you are a teenager. So this is it. This is about the logical operators in C. These logical operators are mainly used along with the relational operators to form some complex condition. So as you can see here, we are combining two conditions under one if block. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next tutorial.